Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert checkbox in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow is to open Word, and then you need to click on Files and click on Options, and here you can see Customize ribbon. Click on that option and click on Developer and click on OK, and then you need to click on developer, and here you can see this option checkbox content control. Click on that option, and if you want you can make it bigger, so you can see that. And then you need to go into the properties and click on check symbol, and here you need to search for wingdings, and you need to scroll down. So this is the symbol. Click on OK and click on OK. So now you can see that. So this is the process by which you can insert checkbox in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.